Hi, I'm Kathy with SONUBIAN, the one and only ecosystem for the culture. We're consumer products, Black art, movies and music for the Black and Brown community. Our mission is to build wealth in underserved communities through technology, e-commerce, and logistics while opening an unlimited amount of Black-centric e-commerce stores. We're building an army of new business vendors through founding store owners, backers, and new advertisers. The opportunity for you to build wealth is right now by leveraging a unified digital community e-commerce and logistics system provided by the SONUBIAN World Marketplace. Right now, we're performing live workshops that will build your brand and take you through setting up your e-commerce store, showing you how to sell your products to the SONUBIAN ecosystem. No code, no website. We go through loading your products, setting up your advertising, learning how to source product, receiving payments, and much more. Early adopters buy into company ownership. Ready to start your wealth journey? Go to www.sonubian.net right now. See you inside.